Alright team, today we're going to be doing a tracfone activation, and you guessed it, we're going to go ahead and log into TFDAP, click the activation port tab, we're going to click on TSP activation. We're going to do now select our brand, we're going to go down and select tracfone. Now we have activation by here. This is good to note. You have GSM and a CDMA. Tracfone provides both. One is a Verizon CDMA tower, the other one is GSM, AT&T, and T-Mobile. Now today we're going to do a CDMA activation because I have a CDMA compatible SIM card. We're going to go ahead and select our plan. I have a smartphone. I'm going to choose the basic $20 plan. I'm going to go ahead and input my IMEI number followed by the SIM card number. Type in the zip code. Now our most important piece of information is the support. If the customer desires a new phone number, we would simply leave it at no. If the customer desires to keep their same number, we're going to hit and click yes here. We're going to fill out all the information, and as you guessed it, yes, we're going to go over the customer's account number one more time. Again, this is crucial information. If not done right, we will lose money and have to do it over again. We have to verify that the customer's account number is correct, followed by their PIN. We have to go directly to the dealer and make sure we have that information. Now again, if the customer decides that they do not want to keep their same number or they want a new number, we'd simply highlight the no tab with pay on IAS account. If you have any questions, please contact your administrator.